I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation. This is a look at the First Alert carbon monoxide alarm. So this is a really easy to use carbon monoxide alarm. There's two ways to power it, but basically you just plug it into a electrical socket. It's the easiest way. And it runs off of your house's wall power, and it's going to monitor for carbon monoxide, which is odorless, so it's otherwise impossible to detect just with your nose. So if there is a carbon monoxide leak and you end up with an elevated level, then the alarm will sound. There's a little light that will come on that says move to fresh air. You can also press the test button to test it, or the silence button to silence that alarm. You can also press in the peak level button, and that will show you a record on this digital screen of the peak level that it's recorded. So if there's little leaks that it's not alarming for, but you still want to know are happening, you can look and see what that level is. So I'll go ahead and press that button. You can see it lights up, and it says 0 ppm there, 0 parts per million. That's what you want to see. No carbon monoxide at all in the house, and that's very positive, especially if you have kids like I do. So underneath here, you can also open the front, and then you can put in batteries. So I'll open it up, actually the top, open this up, and you can put in AA batteries. And that actually comes with these, and it's a backup power source in the event of a power outage, so that if there's no power coming out of the wall, you're still getting the protection there, which is really important because often during power outages, people might use their gas heat more often, and it's important to have carbon monoxide alarm for that. You can see the battery level is displayed on there. And other than that, it's just a really simple, easy to use alarm there from First Alert.